Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your My account. Once signed in, make sure 2FA is active for security. Install and open Xiaomi Service Plus, grant location, storage, camera, and call permissions so diagnostics and bookings work. Next, add the device from the My Devices menu, enter IMEI or scan barcode, and upload a photo of the fault plus the invoice. Once done, tap Diagnose to run the automated checks. This moves you to the actionable repair options immediately. You will review the diagnostic report carefully. It lists hardware flags, software issues, and recommended fixes. If a remote fix is possible, try that first. Otherwise, pick courier pickup or a nearby authorized center from the map. Compare estimated repair costs and turnaround times, then schedule an appointment, choose a convenient date and time, confirm contact details, and select payment, card, e-wallet, or pay at center. Once confirmed, you get a booking ID and tracking. Keep that for updates and references. You collect the device and immediately inspect it. Run screen, call, Wi-Fi, and camera checks to confirm the fault is resolved. If the technician reset or replaced parts, restore your backup and verify accounts are intact. Check warranty notes and keep receipts. If something is wrong afterward, first clear the Xiaomi Service Plus app cache and reinstall, then call support with your booking ID and IMEI. If needed, reopen the ticket and request rework, escalate politely, and document dates and technician names for reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.